My year 13 psychologist. Well, what do I say? Firstly, I pray that all of you are well and I pray that you are keeping safe. Um, I know like this period is ridiculously uncertain and we still need clarity from the government regarding their announcement last night about examinations. And I know that your head of sixth form and your head of year will provide a little bit more information. But I just want to encourage you. I know that it's difficult. I know that many of you will be devastated by the news. But I want you to know that all things indeed will work together for your good and know that I am praying for you. And it's such a shame that I can't be in school today or tomorrow because of my health challenges. So I'm considered at risk. Um, but regardless of what happens, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of the work that you've put in this year. I'm so glad that you have developed so many skills, irrespective of whether or not you sit an exam. You've developed so many incredible skills. You have become psychologists. You have adapted, you have worked under pressure, you've stretched your vocabulary, you've learned how to evaluate and throw shade at researchers, you've been supportive to each other, you've engaged in research, even research at university level, and your writing has developed. And honestly, I am so proud of you, and it's a shame that the likelihood is that we won't get to rob the examiner of all the marks, quite literally, but certainly you have shown yourselves to be true psychologists. So I'm praying for you. I'm praying that the Lord blesses and keeps you and causes his face to shine upon you. And I know that this too shall pass and we'll look back at it and we will be part of history, won't we? But yeah, honestly, I'm so grateful to have taught you, and I do hope that we do get to see each other again. I might be pulling up on some of you to be part of my doctoral research because I'm certainly going to write a paper about how coronavirus basically cancelled high stakes assessments, and I want to learn about the impact that it's had on you, and your view on assessment, your view on achievement as well. But yeah, I love you so much and I really do wish you all the best. I will be setting work on showing my homework because we stay ready. We stay ready regardless of what they've said. Because there's no clarity yet, we have to remain ready. We have to still focus like we are going to sit these exams. I've not in the summer, clearly not in May, June, but it could be pushed back later. Who knows? But we must stay ready, and excellence is the norm, as you guys already know. Love you lots.